Hey, what's up? You're back in the kitchen with Big Daddy. We got the spaghetti done, we got our salad done, and we got everything ready for our strawberry volcanoes. So come on over here. Let's get these noodles out this hot water. I like to strain all the water off of them. Just like that. The stem is rosemary stem. It's good for you. Good to know. Packed with flavor. Got these noodles, bring them over here. Stay right there, I'll get the sauce for you. It's not your mama's sauce. Now I'm gonna simmer it all together. I like desserts first. I'm gonna start with that. Take some of this strawberry puree, like that there. Put it right on the bottom. A little of that. A little fresh strawberries. A little bit more of that strawberry puree. A little bit of that. And a couple more strawberries. Almost forgot. My cream. There you go. Your strawberry volcano. Let's put this spaghetti together. I like to twirl mine right there on top like that there. Just like that there. Look at that sauce. Man, I'll throw mine right there on top. Yeah, baby. Right there on top. A little lettuce. A little cucumber. A little tomato. And a little bit of that cheese. A little parsley for color. Check that out. My favorite part. Taste test. A little whipped cream never hurt nobody, right? That's good eating. Miss Volcano. Now that just erupted in my mouth. Now you heard it. The strawberry volcano, spaghetti, fresh green salad, Big Daddy's way. So whenever you need me, you can call me, Big Daddy, and be there. You heard me?